Friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you are fine now, friends. And this video today I have a look of Ankr crypto. In this video I will show you the price prediction of Ankr, what's the price change goes in Ankr, and what is the high price of Ankr I will show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe my channel. Please reach me 3k subscriber. Please don't forget to subscribe. As you can see now on the screen, first of all we look the chart analysis of the Ankr crypto. As you can see here, after a great falls, as you can see here, now at this time they take a jump, and currently they are also in the jumping. As you can see here, the average change as a negative, but soon positive, because now it's a jumping period or starts. Negative 2.73% chance occur in the Ankr in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Ankr is about $0.160558 is the high price of Ankr crypto. As you can see here, now currently they start jumping, so soon their price change will be and positive, inshallah. As you can see here, that now that is the last 1 hour price prediction. Now let's we see the last 2 hour price prediction of the Ankr crypto. What's the price change goes in Ankr? As I told you in the start of this video, that after a great falls they start jumping upward. As you can see here, after a great fall, now currently they are in the jumping. So after a great falls, that is why the changes as in negative. Soon they are in positive. The last 2 hour price change is a negative 3.87%, and the high price of Ankr in the last two hour is about $0.16281. And if we talk about it is the best time to buy, sell, or hold Ankr crypto, so absolutely it is a good time to buy Ankr crypto. And if you are a holder of Ankr crypto, so my suggestion for all of you that hold your Ankr coin with the last of this month, and if you want to buy Ankr, so it's the best opportunity for you to buy Ankr crypto and make a good amount of profit. That's the live price prediction of last 2 hour, last 1 hour, friends. If you want more this kind of latest news and updates, so don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.